Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing on with our R2 build. We have issue 45 right here. We have some more parts. This actually kind of looks like an LED, like the last one. Well, let's get it open. Let's see what we got. All right, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got a sensor cable, left ankle details. All of these are labeled as left ankle details. And we have another LED cluster, this one for the processor state indicator, as well as the mounting plate, an LED cable, and some fixing screws. Alright, to kick off this issue, we'll assemble the LED display here, which, I mean, it really looks identical to the last one we got. So we'll pull that out and we'll give it a little look-see here. But this one's got the little plug. There's a little hole for the plug, so you just slide it in that way. It really only goes the one way. And you've got 3 screw holes here, and you're going to want to use the screws that came with this issue on this. Okay, so we've got this all plugged in. And we're going to want to take the lead cable here, and it's got a fat end and a thin end, and the thin end is going to go in there. Okay, with all that plugged in, we'll bring out our test kit here and make sure it works. There we go. Look at that. That is definitely working just fine. And it does look identical to the other one with one exception. As you can see, these look exactly the same. Same size, same everything. Even the lead cables here, well, maybe not. One has a bit of a longer lead cable. The one we just got has a longer lead cable here. So that's a good way to tell them apart. This one also has a different color. The one we just got today has green and yellow, and this one has red and blue. So I don't know exactly how it's all going to work together, but they are different, so if you're having trouble differentiating them, find a way to label them. Alright, now we're going to assemble the leg detail here, and it does say to use 2 of the black screws that came with issue 44. I have absolutely no idea which screws came with issue 44. Based on the pictures, it looks like we're going to be using 4mm screws, but we're going to want these ones that are a little bit thicker. I still have 3 of these left, so I think these are the screws that we're going to be using. I'm going to give it a shot. For this, if you look on the back side of the larger piece, you'll see there's a slot there. And when you line one of these up with this rounded section facing forward, or facing towards the silver, this lip here, so I've got the wrong one, is going to want to face towards the outside here, like that. And then this hole will go over that post, just like that, and one screw right there in the middle. And there we go. And it looks like that fatter screw worked just fine. And this is looking good, and we just do the same thing for the other piece. And there it is. That's all she wrote for this issue. And there you have it, everyone. Issue 45 is complete. We got a new piece of electronics, which looks good. And now that I'm looking at it, it's hard to tell, but this frame seems to be angled a bit. And I believe the other one was perfectly straight. So maybe another way to differentiate between the two. And some more ankle details. So we are coming along just that little bit more on the left leg. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.